Hi, I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. I'm with one of my chiropractors here. This is Dr. Perry Chin. He's a Gunstead chiropractor, doctor and diplomat teaching. So you're going to see a very great style of adjusting coming from this man. So you get to watch me getting adjusted. It's been a while. So, thank you. Right SI joint has been really hanging up. PIEX right side, ASIN left side.
It's been bugging there too, right?
Yeah.
Well, we know we're playing tonight. Last time we didn't know we were playing.
Let's have your face down.
Oh, but it's a good. Oh.
Your shoulder relax. On my other side, facing me on the right, towards the right. Push that EX. Thank you. And have a seat here. Lay back. All done.
That was it.
You're gonna make it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna live.